What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys?
DJ fucking Warpat. You're screaming a shite about to tell you a story about my Friday night.
Alright, it's on.
Fuck off.
Okay.
Today
We are
cooking.
Hi, this is
Warpat cooking.
shit.
Disgusting!
My name is
No, I'm just kidding.
I see.
With a gamer.
I do her up the poopers.
Dirty bastard.
I was hanging out with a friend once a long time ago. Yeah. And he was watching.
What the fuck are you saying?
Why do you got a mushroom haircut? Cause like it looks like a. Who has cock hair anymore? Yeah. You do. Jerk it off. Pass. Warp.
I don't know how to say this exactly, but I just want to thank Killer Nish for supporting our
Cocksucking shit video, man.
thank them for letting me cook with them for so long and taking care. Remember back in the day when
Porn.
used to be fucking fun, man? You used to go to your friend's place, go down to the basement, start
Jerking off.
out on the fucking
Porn.
You know, you had just
Time for the dirty song shows.
And a
Finger in my ass.
there wasn't all this like
cock. Munch it.
all this bullshit. I just wish
Porn.
it was more simple like back in the day, man. Like I'm looking at some of my old videos, some of Jay's old videos, and I've been noticing that why can't we bring that shit back where we just get together and
Get your dicks out.
competition, just have fucking fun. As for now, I gotta take bring the old
Porn.
back and keep the dick alive. Anyway, this has been Pat, and as for really keep up the good work, my friend. You're making some progress. And this is a tribute to you and every other old school out there who has ever supported any of the old school.
Porn.
This one's for you.
Jambo, I want you to
Fuck me!
Oh, no, I'm gonna.
Oh yeah!